Changing your profile picture on Airbnb is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Airbnb website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to account settings. In your profile menu, select account or profile settings to access your account settings where you can manage your profile information. Step 4. Edit profile picture. Look for the option to edit your profile picture. Click on Change Profile Picture or a similar option to start the upload process. Step 5. Upload new image. Choose a new image from your device that meets Airbnb's image requirements. After selecting the image, confirm the upload and save your changes. Now your profile picture is updated. Make sure to check how it looks on your profile and enjoy your refreshed appearance on Airbnb.